Hi and welcome to GUI tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up JavaFX project using IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. In order to do that, we need to install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. First, you need to download JetBrains Toolbox. This app make you manage your tools easy way to download, update and remove the IntelliJ IDEA or any other JetBrains products. I also added the JetBrains Toolbox download link in description. Please go and find it. After you open the JetBrains Toolbox link, you find this web page. Click download button and save your JetBrains Toolbox exe. I already did that to save time. Double click JetBrains Toolbox. It's an easy installation process. Just click install. Wait till installation complete. Just click finish. Make sure run JetBrains Toolbox checked. Click the finish button. In your taskbar, you may find JetBrains Toolbox. It's initializing. Wait some time. Now JetBrains Toolbox successfully installed. Click IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition install. JetBrains Toolbox automatically download and install your application automatically. Now IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition successfully installed. To open IntelliJ IDEA Community, open your JetBrains Toolbox and double click the IntelliJ IDEA Community under installed section. Now IntelliJ IDEA opened. Now we need to set up OpenJDK for IntelliJ IDEA. Click create new project. In new project window, select JavaFX. After clicking the JavaFX, in project SDK, say no SDK. If you install Java SDK, you may find it in this drop down. If you don't have, don't worry. Click project SDK drop down and click the download JDK. Now we can see download JDK pop-up window. Select vendor OpenJDK. In this recording, current OpenJDK version was 14.0.1. Size was 198 MB. Leave location as default and click the download button. Wait till download complete. Now OpenJDK download completed. Click next. Project name was hello world, hello_world. If you want to change a project location, use this dotted button and click finish. Now we installed IntelliJ IDEA and also done setup in OpenJDK. In new version of IntelliJ IDEA, you may find Windows Defender might be impact your build and IDE performance. To fix that issue, click the fix button and click the config automatically button. Now we need to download JavaFX SDK. I need to say one more thing. IntelliJ IDEA also have how to create a new JavaFX project. I also added this documentation link in description. Please go and find it. It may useful to you. According to this documentation, if you use Java JDK 10 or earlier, you can create new JavaFX project right away. You don't need JavaFX XDK. If you use Java JDK 11 or later, that means currently we are using Java JDK 14, we need to download Java SDK. To download Java SDK, I also added this link to description. Please go and find it. Please download long-term support. You may find Java SDK Windows Edition, Mac Edition, Linux Edition. Now we want JavaFX Windows SDK. Click download and save file. I already done that to save time. Please extract it. After extraction, copy to your C drive. Now we need to copy the JavaFX extracted folder and go to C drive and just paste it. Wait till copy complete. Now we need to download Scene Builder. Scene Builder used to design your JavaFX application makes easy. Just click download button. Under this section you may find Windows installer, macOS DMG, Linux RPM, Linux Dev. We need Windows installer. Just click download. I already downloaded that to save time. After you downloaded, just click the Scene Builder exe, accept the license terms and install. And click the finish button to done Scene Builder installation. According to the JavaFX documentation by IntelliJ IDEA, we need to add JavaFX library to our project. Scroll down under the section of add the JavaFX library. These actions are required if you use Java 11 or later. Yeah, we currently using OpenJDK Java version 14. We need to add JavaFX. We need to add JavaFX library to our project. Or if you use Java version 10 or earlier, you don't need to add JavaFX library to your project. You can simply run the project. Now how to add JavaFX library? Simply go to IntelliJ IDEA, click File, go to Project Structure, click Libraries, click Add button, select Java, go to C drive, open. Now open we copied earlier JavaFX SDK package and go to lib folder, click OK. Now we can see choose module pop-up, select hello world, that's our project name, click OK and apply and click OK button. Now we added the JavaFX library to our project. Now we need to do one more thing, add VM options to our project. Please scroll down after add JavaFX library. Under section of add VM options, these sections also required if you use Java 11 or later, or if you use Java 10 or earlier, you don't need to do this. We are using OpenJDK 14, we need to add VM options. Adding VM option is very easy. Just back to IntelliJ IDEA. Now follow my mouse, go to this main drop down, click edit configuration. In application, click main. Under configuration tab, you find VM option field. Click this arrow, back to browser. Just copy the point 3 and paste it. Under this percentage path to FX, we need to specify the lib folder another time. Go to C drive, open JavaFX SDK package and Go to lib folder and copy the path. Back to IntelliJ IDEA. Remove percentage path underscore 2 underscore fx percentage. Just paste the path and click the apply button and click OK. Now we are ready to run the Hello World project. Just simply click the run button, also known as play button. We can see the window. It's an empty window now. Now we are successfully run the JavaFX project. Now we know how to create JavaFX project using IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA have JavaFX documentation. I also added the link in description. Go and find it. If you find IntelliJ IDEA documentation, there is a JavaFX separate section. Under the JavaFX section, click the config JavaFX scene builder. IntelliJ IDEA allows you to open .fxml files inside IntelliJ IDEA IDE. That means we need to point out the scene builder. First, we need to download and install latest version of scene builder. We already done that part. We need to point out the executable file inside our IntelliJ IDEA. Go to IntelliJ IDEA, go to file and settings, click language and framework, click JavaFX. Now we need to specify the path to scene builder exe. Use browse icon, go to program files, click scene builder folder, click scene builder.exe and click OK. Now click the OK button. Now go to the sample.fxml file. In sample.fxml file, it opened in text view. We need to go scene builder view. Under bottom that you find text tab. Right next to the text tab you may find scene builder. Click that. It takes some time also. Now we can access the scene builder inside our JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. It makes easy to design a user interface and simultaneously work Java for JavaFX application. Very useful feature in IntelliJ IDEA. Now we all done the JavaFX configuration process. If you want to know about JavaFX basics, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.